If you've been searching for the best new AI tools to save time and boost productivity, the AI Text Summarizer AI is something you absolutely need to check out. Today, we're diving into the 7 most important things you need to know about this brand new tool. Stick around because I'll show you why this software could completely transform the way you work with text, whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who wants to get more done in less time. Before we get started, you can actually try out AI Text Summarizer AI for completely free by clicking the link in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Now, let's break down why this AI is making waves. First off, the most important thing to know is that AI Text Summarizer AI makes summarizing text faster and easier than ever. Whether you're dealing with articles, research papers, or long reports, this software cuts through the noise and gives you clear, concise summaries in a matter of seconds. No more wasting time reading endless paragraphs just to get the gist of the content. What's impressive is that it's not just a simple tool. It uses advanced natural language processing, NLP algorithms, to ensure your summaries are both accurate and coherent. This means you're not just getting a few sentences, you're getting meaningful insights that make sense in context. It's like having a personal assistant who reads everything for you and distills the key points. Another key feature is the customization options. The AI Text Summarizer AI lets you adjust the level of detail you want in your summaries. Whether you need a quick, high-level overview or a more in-depth summary, this software gives you the flexibility to tailor the output exactly to your needs. This is perfect if you're working with different types of content and need different approaches. One of the most powerful aspects of this software is its ability to handle various formats. It doesn't just work with text from websites. You can input PDFs, Word documents, and even emails, making it a versatile tool for all your summarizing needs. It's perfect for marketers, students, or anyone who works with large amounts of text on a regular basis. Now, let's talk about speed and efficiency. AI Text Summarizer. AI is lightning fast. It processes even large documents in seconds, which means you're saving valuable time. In today's fast-paced world, time is money, and this tool is a huge productivity booster. You'll never have to sit through long, tedious reading sessions again. It's perfect for busy professionals who need to stay on top of large volumes of information without getting bogged down. You may be wondering about the accuracy of the AI summaries. I can tell you that it's impressively accurate, especially when compared to other summarization tools out there. This AI understands the context of the text and provides a summary that makes sense. No awkward sentences or confusing results. It's as close to human-level understanding as you can get from an AI. But what about the cost? The best part is that you can actually try AI Text Summarizer AI for free. There's no risk to test it out and see if it fits your needs. Once you see how much time it saves you and how much more productive you can be, you'll likely want to upgrade to unlock all its features. Finally, the tool is incredibly user-friendly. It has an intuitive interface, so you don't need to be a tech expert to start using it. Everything is laid out clearly, and getting started only takes a few clicks. It's the perfect solution for anyone who needs to start summarizing documents quickly without any hassle. So whether you're a content creator, marketer, researcher, or anyone who needs to manage large amounts of text, AI Text Summarizer AI is definitely a tool you'll want to try. Don't forget, you can test it out completely free from the link below. I've also included my recommended AI software in the description that you can try for free. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've handpicked the best ones that I believe can make a difference in your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.